Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Alvara Camila, and now I want to storytelling about the Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Let's watching. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She had long, wavy, and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly as she loved and adored the rose. She had one glowing golden bird who will visit her in the evenings. The princess and the golden bird will sing mesmerizing song, where all people in the kingdom peacefully sleep with sweet dreams. The bird will begin making the sound saying the beautiful hair of the princess, and she will join with the bird. Both of them used to sing lullaby to make people sleep and keep singing the lullabies until sunrise. While people live peacefully, a wicked witch came to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the Princess Rose. She cursed the princess and her hair turned ugly black. As usual, the bird started singing, saying the black hair of the princess, and she continued. While people fell asleep, none of them had sweet dreams. Rather, they were terrible and fearful. Princess heard about the nightmare dreams and was so worried. She asked the golden bird what she should do to turn her hair red. The bird asked her to dip her hair in a rose water, and she did. Surprisingly, and the hair turned beautiful red with the usual glow. Undoubtedly, everyone fell asleep hearing the lullabies and had sweet dreams. Knowing this, the witch cursed again and now removed all rose flower and petals from the kingdoms. The princess did not know what to do. The princess very were suffering until her eyes twinkled, and one of her tears fell to the ground. At that time came a young and handsome prince who was stopped under the balcony Princess Rose. The latter prince took out a small box which contained a single hair of red. The prince leaned over and put the red hair on top the tears of the princess, and then unexpected miracle occurred. Suddenly, red hair in the place above the tears turned into red rose. The prince took the roses that take him to the princess. After seeing the rose princess immediately removed his tears and plucked the rose petal for place above the water and the basin. Then the princess was dunking until the basin containing myrrh and rose, and the curse of the evil witch also was missing. Wicked witch comes again after he learned that she lost again. Evil witch saw your body swell that explodes into thousand small pieces, and finally blooming rose grow in every royal garden. Each evening, the Princess Rose sings lullaby that she likes, and everyone is asleep to have sweet dreams until dawn. Thank you.